Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen from 2 days, there is a continuous downfall we have seen, and chances can be high a further fall we can see, because this level we have seen after a very long time. Okay, this you can see from December of 23 we have seen this level has come, but it has already break this particular level and moved towards a level of $2.1058. If the price move below this particular level, a further downfall we can see, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 2.0678. Okay, and it started going below this level, a further downfall, because there will be a zone, as you can see, going below this particular level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move on Monday, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical works, and a telegram link are given in the description, you can join that. Okay, look at this particular trend. After continuous what we have seen, there is a continuous upside we have seen, but with a sharp fall. As soon as it forms a swing, that it goes upside, making a new high. Okay, for the 6th time it made, for the 7th time it would have made, but because of the war situation we have seen, there is a continuous fall. After that, it tries to go upside. Okay, and it was moving in a zone of $3 and $2 for a long period of time. Okay, and I have categorically told you that chances was very high. A further upside movement we can see, and we have seen a level of 3.5 and 3.6, and then there is a fall. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, looking at this particular chart, there is a higher chance that if the price keep moving below this particular level, a further downfall we can see. So if it moves below a level of $2.14, chances will be high a further fall, and it can go below a level of $2 also. There is a higher probability. Okay, so let's see if the price sustain this level. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2.225, and if the price moves around that level, a further upside movement we can see towards 2.3. Okay, and if the price started going up this level, a chance of touching the level 2.3680 will be there. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout that will happen, so chances can be high. Further upside movement we can see towards the level of 2.485. Once the price started sustaining at $2.850, a further high we can see towards the level of $2.5530, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high we can see it will cross that level and it will go towards the level of 2.6521. Okay, and if the price started going over the lower level of $2.61, a further upside movement we can see from there a level of $2.8162. Okay, and if that level sustains, a further high we can see towards the level of 2.915. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that once the price started going over the level of $2.8162, chances of touching 2.915 will be there, and from there a probability of crossing that level we can see, and then it can touch a level of around $3.1140. Okay, and once the price started sustaining $3.1140, a further high we can see towards a level of 3.2248, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 3.3682 will be there. Okay, and once the price started moving on that level, a further upside movement we can see, and then a further high. Keep that in mind. There is a higher chances that if the price started moving below this particular level, a further fall we can see, and from there a probability of going towards 2.15570. Okay, and if the price started moving below this particular level, a further fall we can see towards 2.0983. Okay, and if the price started moving below this particular zone, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.0678, because this level is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will move further low, and from there a probability of going towards a level of 1.9284 is there. And if that level move further down, a further fall we can see towards a level of $1.638. Okay, and if that level goes further low, a further fall we can see towards a level of 1.5658, and from there a level of around 1.5039. And as soon as it started moving below 1.5, then we'll be a zone breakout, because this is the all-time high we have seen, and from there a further fall we can see the price of natural gas. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or put in the mail ID also in the description.